Okay, so today, Darcy, we're going to try to understand what a reflection is. We're going to review line of symmetry. We're going to visualize a reflection, and we're going to draw reflections of shapes made with tangrams. Okay, so first things first, you will want to complete section 1, warm up practice 5. Okay, you can pause the recording and do that now, or you can wait to do that later. For today's lesson, we'll need our tangrams, our geometry reflector, worksheet 82, and then your drawing tools, drawing board, T-square, 45 triangle. Okay, let's take our tangrams and our geometry reflector, place a large tangram triangle next to the understand what I've done here. Anyway, next to the reflector. So like this picture right here. Okay, so I've got the large tangram triangle right up against the, with its longest side, up against the reflector. Now, what do you see in the reflector? Well, hopefully you see the triangle. Hopefully you see what is pictured here. A second triangle on the other side. Okay, so take the second large triangle and place it exactly on top of the reflection. Okay, so now you'll have a tangram piece here, T for tangram. You'll have the reflection, but you also have the tangram piece here that you placed down on the other side of the reflector that you placed exactly on top of the reflection. All right, so now that we've done that, you could add any piece. Here, we've added this parallelogram. Okay, so we added a parallelogram to the first side. Okay. Now, you should see the reflection of that parallelogram. So go ahead and place the corresponding tangram piece on top of the reflection. Okay, so that's what's been done here. Okay, so here's the piece, here's the parallelogram, here's the piece that we put down on top of the reflection. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove our reflector. And so here we see what it would look like. We'll have the first large triangle we put down and the first parallelogram we put down, and then the reflection pieces. And right there, that straight line right between them is what's called the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is what we call it. It's the line that represents where the mirror or the reflector would go. It's the line between the two figures that makes it so that on each side of the line is a reflection of the other side. Okay? So that's the line of symmetry. And so you could keep doing this. You could make a shape on one side of the reflector with 2 or 3 tangram pieces, and then make the reflection, and then take the reflector away, and that small space between the two figures is your line of symmetry. And everything you see on one side of the line is exactly reflected on the other side. Think of the line of symmetry as where the mirror is. Okay? Now, in worksheet 82, with your drawing board, your T-square, and your 45 triangle, you're going to imagine what a reflection looks like before drawing it. And so then you're going to draw the reflection of what you see on the worksheet. Once you're done drawing it carefully with your drawing tools, you could place the reflector down along the line of symmetry, and what you drew as the reflection should match what you see in the reflector. Okay? So, pretty straightforward what you need to do on this worksheet. You're simply drawing the reflection of the figure that is given to you on the paper, on the worksheet. You want to use your drawing tools to help you draw that reflection as precisely as you can. Okay? So, today's assignment, Section 1, Warm-Up Practice 5, and complete Worksheet 82, drawing reflections of given figures.